and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a unboxing of my Globe Collaborative subscription for this month, and I'm also going to be doing a simple fall type of tablescape. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube channel. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I would love you if you guys would hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So we're gonna jump into the video, and I'm just gonna share with you briefly everything that I got in this month's subscription. So as always, I open up the subscription on camera with you guys. And I'm gonna take all this unnecessary paper out. And one thing about Globe, they always package everything so nicely. So the first item I see is this, something like a, I hope you guys can see it. It's a pamphlet. Can you see that? Set it right there. It's like a Globe Collaborative Fall 2018, and it just tells you about different products. I guess it has different cleaning products, self-care items that you can also order, and it's just a little booklet giving you different information about different products. And that's the first time I ever received anything like this before in any of my subscriptions. So I don't know if this is the first or if they've done it before, but this is the first time I ever received any type of booklet inside of my box. So I'm gonna just sit that right there. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, and then the first item I want to share with you guys is some multi-surface spray in Mom's scent. And I haven't tried this scent before, so I look forward to, you know, trying this out, see how well it smells. And you know what? I'm gonna give it a little sniff and just see how this scent smells. And it's almost like a floral scent, not too strong, so it smells pretty good. So when I clean with it, I'll let you guys know how I really do like it. And the next item is the hand soap. And usually when I try to get a product, I try to get the hand soap. I try to get the lotion if they have it. I just try to have everything, you know, match together. And this is the dish soap. So this would be a set that I would place on my sink area. And then the next item is this Bamboo Botanical Swim and Sport Shampoo and Wash. And I actually got this for my upcoming trip. I mentioned in my last video that I'm going to be going on a cruise. So I purchased this to take along with me. This would be a great item to take on vacations, because a lot of times when you're vacation, you're in a lot of pools or you're in the ocean. So I wanted to get something specific to that. So that's why I ordered this product here. So the very next item, and this is the last item in my subscription, is this Maple and Nutmeg 100% soy candle. It comes in 7 ounces. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it looks out of the packaging, and It smells really good, guys. So I can't wait to start burning that. That was the very last item, guys. That was everything that I got in this month's subscription. So now we're just gonna jump into the other part of the video, which I just do a simple tablescape for you guys. Okay guys, we're in my breakfast nook area right off of my kitchen, and this dinette set I have had for a while, guys. It has a little nicks here and there, but I love it. I'm cleaning it off with this Method wood cleaner, and I love this stuff, guys. It has been really good on my wood furniture. It smells good, and it gives the wood furniture a nice shine that I really love. So you see me here just cleaning off the table. I am going to be dusting the chairs so I can set up this simple fall tablescape. It's nothing over the top, guys. It's just some simple place settings, but I'm getting into the fall spirit. I've been watching a lot of people do a lot of fall videos, so it's kind of getting me in the spirit of fall season. We're still really hot here in the area that I live. Matter of fact, it was like 102 degrees here. So I'm finishing dusting off the table, cleaning off the table, and I'm going over the chairs a little bit so I can set up this fall tablescape. The first item I'm going to place on the table is these placemats here. I've had them for a while. I ordered them a couple of months ago, and they really go with a lot of different tablescapes, and I really like them. They are really nice, and they, you know, just scream fall to me, so I decided to use them. Here are my galvanized chargers, and I'm going to be using these also, and I really like these. They are kind of like a rustic look to me, and a lot of times when I'm doing like a rustic look, I use these chargers here. Now these plates, guys, let's just give these plates a moment. I found these at Family Dollar. They have been all over Instagram, all over YouTube, and I fell in love with these plates. I got them from Family Dollar, and they were only $1.50, which was a great price to me. They have two different styles. I end up going with the one with the orange pumpkin, and I just really love the design of these plates. And actually, these what inspired me to do this fall tablescape, because I try to wait until the seasons come in before I start, you know, decorating for a certain season, and it's still kind of like summertime to me. But like I said, you know, everybody's been putting out all these fall videos and showing fall items, so I got really excited for the fall season. So I decided to do this simple tablescape for you guys. I'm using some white appetizer or salad plates, whichever you want to call it, and then I'm using some pattern plates also. You know, when I do my tablescapes, I like to give you guys different variations or ideas or designs that you can use on your tablescapes, you know. And right here, that was just one of the napkin ring arrangements that I made. Very simple, and I am going to show you guys later how I created that look. And I just used items from the Dollar Tree to create a, you know, a floral napkin ring. Sometimes you don't always have to go out and spend a lot of money on creative, nice, different designs for your table. You can use simple items that you already have in your home, or you can purchase inexpensive items from the Dollar Tree to create a nice look. So in this video, I'm going to be using this pick here, and I purchased three other picks from the Dollar Tree, And I featured these pumpkins in a previous video. I purchased them from the Dollar Tree also, and they came in a pack of 3. So right here is the place setting that I'm going to demonstrate how I created the napkin ring design. I'm using a simple white napkin, one of the picks from Dollar Tree, and one of the clip-on pumpkins. And as you see here, I'm just bending it. I kind of made it a little hook, placed the napkin inside, and I'm going to continue to bend that and shape it to the design or look that I want. It's very simple, nothing complicated about it. It's just a simple way to create a nice look for your tablescapes. So I'm just still adjusting it a little bit, playing with it to get the look that I want. And then I'm going to attach the white pumpkin. Here I'm just showing you how I have it wrapped around the napkin. Like I said, very simple, nothing complicated. And I'm just further adjusting it just to create the look that I want. And when I attach the white pumpkin, you can clamp it where it'll secure the ends together, the napkin or the wiring together, so it won't come loose. This is the completed look. I think it came out really nice. I'm going to be setting this arrangement here that I had for a while on the table also to finish, complete the whole fall tablescape look. I have some candle holders that I got a couple years back. I'm going to place one on each side. And I really like how this tablescape came together, guys. It's nothing too extravagant. It's very simple. And I just love the whole look of it. And as you see, the other salad plate I use, it is kind of, the design is busy, but the whole look came together. And this is the other place setting here with one of the picks. And it has a flower attached, and I didn't put anything extra on that. I just left that simple. So, and please excuse that glare. I was trying to film today in the afternoons, and I just had this glare. But this is the complete tablescape, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment, like, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, guys, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.